another hot spring exploration dito sa Negros.
This is day 23 of our Philippine Loop adventure. This time, we're going to explore the largest boiling lake in the Philippines, the Lake Hot Springs. It's hot here. Really hot. If it's your first time here, it's really hot. There's the really hot lake, and here, it's not really hot. So hot! And to see it up close, the giant footpath that can only be found at the foot of Mount Canlaon.
Yes!
Let's go! Less than 1 hour ride from Bacolod City and 20 kilometers away from Mount Canlaon.
Kailangan ID and vaccination card. Oh, the hot spring yung favorite of Kangkang. Hot spring ka! Good morning ka!
Present ang paper, miss.
Okay, sir. Thank you again.
This is Mabukal Resort and Wildlife Sanctuary, where we can find the Lake Hot Spring, the largest boiling lake in the Philippines, located in Marcia, Negros Occidental. The lake itself is situated in a lush forested environment at the foot of Mount Canlaon, one of the Philippines' active volcanoes, adding to the geothermal nature of the hot springs. This is a protected area that spans about 8,000 hectares, and it's known for its rich biodiversity, making it an important conservation site.
Ay, sorry. Libre. Sila.
Ayun lang?
Yeah. Ano smoking? No parking sa dito sa daan. Pero dito tayo, pwede tayo. Pwede tayo dito mag-park.
Dito lang?
Pwede.
We are here, 9:48. Let's go. Here.
There's no store inside, so you have to bring your food and water. Always bring food when you go.
Go, let's swim! Wow! May kantay sila na hot water. Lagyan nila ng kape. Ang Mambocala is isang wildlife sanctuary. So dito may mga wow! Ang dami oh! Wow! Bats! Fruit bats! Oh, yung first time ito batang basta observe!
This is the giant fruit bat, or the megabat. This species is known for its large size and is only found in Mambucal.
Yes!
Where's Batman?
That is not a real bat. Serve the fruit bats! Oh, sige. Wow!
Where's Batman?
Wow! First time. Halika sa they wanted to see.
I see Batman. Nice film. Hi! I'm almost coming.
But you survived.
Okay, I'm watching you.
Sabi oh. Kasi nagsusmoke siya. Kasi steam. It's a hot, relaxing dip.
At cold.
Halika sa observe the ano na.
You need to spin with me.
O hindi, na-relax lang ka na.
Batman!
Observe na the bugs. rain?
Raining.
Rainy of baths.
Raining of that. Rain. Superhero. You know superheroes, everybody? You watch them. This one and Netflix.
What can you say about the hot spring, babe?
It's cold. Cold. I'm joking. It's hot. But not enough good. If you try if it's deep or not. But if you're not allowed, hold me on. And that's the other side here. You follow me. Follow me. Here is the hottest. You can relax and everything. This is for boys. This is for girls. And this is how this one thing. I'm sick. Mimic me, guys. Guys, I will show you. This is the purpose to relax. Look at for those. Relaxing. Like fear. It's relaxing. And it's cold water. And this is hot. Like Hulu. Hulu is good. Yeah? I know. I understand.
How about too big?
Too big is water.
Huli.
Hulu is going
Leg home. Huli. Lakat na ta. Lakat.
Lakat is walking. I understand.
I understand na. Nagadiin ka.
I'm in Santa Rosa.
Ilan na edad mo?
5.
Ang pangalan mo?
Kali Santa Luciano.
Ilang langit ka na?
Not yet. Yeah?
Oh, very good. Paano nakakabal? Paano ka understand?
Because I know it.
How do you know?
Because I hear that. I hear that from other countries and in their home.
Kumada ka rin na. Very good. So, kung ako, may Ilonggo na lang sa imo. And tatay will speak Tagalog. And you will speak English. Kalad na ako, di ba wala? Karing kong.
It's good to relax here and stay here. You let me go home here. Like let me home and then I can stay back.
Tingaan namin sa hot spring.
It's really hot and relaxing.
Relaxing ka din. Wala ka nakalubak?
Yes, I'm not scared.
Sagad ba? Hot sa face, no? Dito sa dipping pool, ito yung free. Ito yung kasama sa 140 pesos mo na babayaran for day tour. Ang tubig ay doon medyo lukewarm. Ito mainit. Lahat na may mga ganyan. Lukewarm siya kasi cold water para siyang nag-neutralize ng init. Kasi kung lahat na init, nakakauhaw.
Do you know that the recommended soaking time when swimming in the hot spring it's only 10 to 20 minutes? Why? Hot springs can cause dehydration due to heat, so make sure to drink plenty of water before, during, and after. You're soaked to stay hydrated. Second, listen to your body. If you start to feel lightheaded, dizzy, or uncomfortable, it's a sign to take a break or exit the water. Look at me. This is how I feel.
Love you.
Ang kaliliman lang ang tuduban Nice. I'm walking now. I'm already walking. It's not good for me. I'm sitting down in two-door speed. Really? That was good.
Gagawin namin ngayon, mag-relax muna kami. Kasi parang sobrang pakaw na yung tubig namin. Isa namin isang litrong tubig. So therefore, mag-walking muna kami. Kaya wala kasi pagkain dito sa loob. Bawal. Bawal din ang luto. Magdadala ka na ng pack lunch mo. Ito yung hot spring na may bayad. 100 pesos. Kasi pantay ang tubig dito at saka mga kayo lang. Wow. So, nag-ano na siya, nag-dry yung leaves niyan sa sobrang init. Rika, saan is the map?
Yeah.
Butterfly garden, dipping pool,
Going to
canopy walk, mera oh. Butterfly.
Tatay, go.
Kaya work si tatay.
Tatay, get the car.
Yeah.
This sanctuary is home to various animals such as monkeys, tarsiers.
Oh, going to that house.
Merong trail papunta doon sa taas na bahay.
You know that one, oh, that fruit? It's a fig tree of the Philippines.
Din. Ay, amo nagalagay pang absorb sa water, di ba? Tibig, oo, gani.
The trees are very high.
Gusto nyo mag-overnight, ito yung bahay. Yung kanilang rooms. Boiling.
You can touch if you want.
This is from...
Just be careful, it's hot.
I'm not going to swim there, are we?
Wow. Init, as in hot talaga siya.
Okay, so that you will not sleep. Okay. Up. Up at the other kid. Oh wow. Other foot. Very hot. Slowly. The smoking really hot. You want to see? Those are so first.
Really so hot.
Ito ay sulfur pool na galing sa Canlaon. As in, amoy mo yung sulfur. Rotten egg smell. Oh, as in, and it's boiling. It's really boiling.
Since this is located at the foot of Mount Canlaon, an active volcano. As the volcano is active, magma and the hot gases rise to rise the surface, hitting groundwater. This heated water flows out of the ground in the form of hot springs. The hot gases, which is hydrogen sulfide, a colorless gas with a characteristic of rocking egg smell, is commonly found in geothermal waters. When the water is boiling, sulfur may react with oxygen or other chemicals, forming yellowish deposits.
Ikot pa tayo dito sa Mambukal. Something dito kasi parang high school, elementary. Ako last na pumunta dito. Let's go. Ay, kumukulo.
A perfect place for bird watchers, insects, and even snakes. Many of which are endemic to the Philippines.
Ito yung camping ground. Since pandemic pa, pinagbabawal nila yung camping ngayon. So, welcome to Ishiwata Camping Ground. Ito yung LGU cottages, 2.5. Good for 5 person, 1.2 for 2 persons. Mura lang. Wow. Let's go to the other pool. It's cold! Very, really cold!
Nice. You can go down like this. You can go down there. Okay, go.
So, dito sa Mambukal, meron silang 4 na pool. 2 hot springs and 2 cold springs.
Okay.
It's really, really cold, yeah? Ito is sleeping now. Let's go to the big pool. Amoy sulfur. It's the sulfur from the volcano. No swimming allowed.
Iron is another mineral found in geothermal waters. When water contains dissolved iron, is exposed to air, creating iron oxide, commonly known as rust. This can create yellowish or reddish-brown deposits. Iron and sulfur, these mineral deposits can create striking visual features and geothermal environments, and they are an important indicator of the underlying geothermal activity.
Ah, ito yung big pool. Naikot na natin buong Mambukal. Oh, nagutom na kami din. Walang store dito sa loob. Kailangan mong lumabas.
Eating by myself. Like, I am very hungry. I hungry for almost 2-3 hours.
Bye-bye, Mambukal. Big pool. Ito yung dipping pool na hot spring. I will miss you, Mambukal. Itong daan papunta sa 7 waterfalls pero close pa. Mambukal, we'll see each other again. Gusto mong muni-muni. Gusto mong mag-relax. Masarap dito mag-overnight. Yung nakadip ka lang dun sa mainit na tubig. Sa hot spring. May lakad-lakad dito. Connect with nature. Observe. Kakaiba. Kalikasan, that is the sound of the, ano?
Of the bird trick.
Bat! Today is the last day. Last day na namin sa Bacolod sa 7 days. 1 week kami dito nag-stay. 23rd day namin sa aming Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao loop. So bukas, December 24, start another journey papunta ng Panay and Mindoro hanggang Batangas. So, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Kwento ni Kali.
Bye to Kwento ni Kali. See you in our next episode as we explore Iloilo.